I think housing isn't really thought about in terms of a career choice for a lot of individuals when they're in school. You can do anything in housing, so if you want to be an accountant, you can do that in social housing. If you want to work with people, you can work in a community team or you can be a housing officer. If you want to work in human resources, you can do that. We have all of those types of careers in housing.
When I was younger, my grandpa done my mum's dining room, and I was watching him, I was like, I can do that. So I've done a lot of jobs before becoming a painter and decorator. I thought I'm just going to go to college now and do something that I love and that I'm good at.
I've always been quite a hands-on person. I've enjoyed fixing things and don't mind getting my hands dirty. But if it's something you enjoy, just go for it. It's a really good career.
Good money, there's always new things to learn and it's enjoyable.
No day is ever the same, and if you want something that's more hands-on, then this is definitely the industry to work in. Don't let the stereotypical views hold you back at all. You know, if this is what you want to do, then 100% go for it.
I am the only female electrician on the team. I'm quite proud of that because it can be seen as quite like a male-dominated industry. I've had a few jobs and this has been my favourite one by far.
I've been in construction 20 years now. Every day is different. There's so many opportunities. I've worked with huge PLCs. I've worked all over the UK. It's such a varied role, I'd say go for it.
In a company like Newydd, people are really keen to help women develop within their roles and push them forward. It's encouraging, especially for sort of the younger generations, to see the progress that we've made and the chances that are available for them.
We've got so much to offer, and I think that diversity and different views and opinions and what we bring to construction is really important.
I definitely don't think there's enough women working in social housing, particularly around the construction and new development side. So I'd definitely say have a look into it, come and do some work experience with us and then see whether or not it's something that tickles your fancy.
The world is your oyster. There are such great opportunities. Just get out there, go for it, put yourself forward, and it'll be amazing what we can achieve.